Yes, my director.
Nutekpor community and its environs, I wish to convey my sincere regard and deep gratitude to the various stakeholders for the support they have given us. The Ghana Navy, in collaboration with the good people of America, have been the motivational force and have facilitated us to move ahead and achieve the excellent results of which we have witnessed today. Despite the numerous challenges we are experiencing now, and I quote something here which President Nelson Mandela the late. Yeah, he said, no country can really develop unless its citizens are well educated. He also said, it is education that can make a child of a farmer to become a president of a great nation. On this note, you are welcome. Thank you very much.
Now we've come to almost the end of the program, and I would like to see the vote of thanks. I want to thank the Excellency U.S. Ambassador to Ghana, the Chief of Naval Staff, the Director of Education, the District Director coordinating from Assembly, the opinion leaders, and all protocol observed. Thank you for the good work you have done for us. Akbe. Yes, so we invite Mr. Sedowu again to give us the closing prayer. Thank you.
Everlasting Father, once again, we say, glory be to your name. As I said, that's at the end, we will say glory. So our hearts go out for you. You are the Lord. As we are going, take absolute control of our going. Be with us as you promised, and take us to our homes. As we reach there again, glory will be unto your name. Do it, for you said it to us, it will knock, and you will give us. Thank you, we honor you for the great work done. Amen.
Amen. want to see you wave us. Thank you. You are welcome. Thank you. You are welcome. And also, we have the opinion leaders among us, the chiefs, and then the opinion leaders of Nutekpor. Thank you. Okay. We also have a presiding member from the constituency, the district assembly. She's also among us, and she is in the person of Victoria Jeklo. Please, Madam Victoria Jeklo, can we see you? Oh, okay. Thank you. You are welcome. So we'll continue with the introduction of the dignitaries. Thank you.
We also have head of the Ghana Navy here with us. In fact, the head of the Ghana Navy, the chief of naval staff, Admiral Peter Yakubu. We also have with us here the flag officer commanding the Naval Training Command, who is also the garrison commander in charge of the Ghana Volta and Commodore Tiayao. We also have very senior officers. We have the Director General Supply, General Headquarters, Commodore Ejeni, for acting with us. Yes. And we have very senior officers from the Naval Headquarters also here with us. You are all welcome, sir. I'll now invite the US to do their introduction.
This kind gentleman was asking me names, and I was trying to jot them down quickly, so I said I'll be very happy to stand up and say them for you because it's going to be a little bit different. But I'll introduce myself first. My name is Commander Michael Malayanos from the U.S. Embassy. It has been my great pride and honor to be here in Ghana for 3 years. And when I first got here 3 years ago, a lot of the work that the CVs have been able to do, both at NAFTAC and now here at this school, was only a dream. So I've had the pleasure to be here long enough to see the dream come through, and I'm extremely honored that you've opened up both your arms to the community and to our military partnership and enabled us to contribute in this way. It is a great matter of pride. So the rest of our team from the U.S. Embassy includes Commander Carlton McLean, our naval attaché. A bittersweet introduction, Lieutenant Commander Sean Collins, who will take my job.